Boys, it's been a minute. I'm here. I'm still here. But yeah, haven't traded in almost 3 weeks, and yeah. Just cause we've been at all-time highs. The only thing you can do is go long, and it's pretty easy. If you just press the buy button, you're gonna most likely win the trade. But I just haven't had any really entries that I was comfortable with, or that I just like that was part of my system, I guess. But finally today took a trade, and yeah, I lost again. I'm like on a horrible run right now. I just like try to like brush it off every time now, but it's just I don't know. Like I'm at dude, it's bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm on a 10 trade losing streak. Like, this is bad. But today, the outcome was so unfortunate, but it's just like, what are you gonna do? What I'm gonna do is learn from it. It's just like, damn, dude. Like, it's just such a bad slump right now. You're probably even just wondering why am I keep going. I couldn't even tell you right now. I just let's get into it. So I was bullish coming to the day. I can read my journal. Yeah, no trades for this whole month. Also had like finals that just finished up. I graduate in two days, so there's that. But yeah, no trade, no trade, no trade. Literally no trade for this whole month until today. But coming today, I was bullish. Had a nice overnight move to the upside. Now market is making a high time frame retrace. There's nice draws on liquidity. I'm gonna wait for an entry potentially and be ready to execute. I forgot to put in there, but I think I said something about they had a big overnight move, so once that happens, price tends to not deliver cleanly in the New York AM session, so that's why I said I'm gonna wait for an entry, not just like try to rush anything. But yeah, I really like this trade, just based on us sweeping out some lows, filling in some a high time frame gap right there, and then I think a couple 1 hour gaps. Yeah, all these 1 hour gaps. I should probably just go into coming into the day. This is what the market was looking like. So what do we do during overnight session? We kind of just like rallied on the 4 hour. Just kind of went up, things like that. On the 1 hour, it's more clear, I guess, to see what happened. Came in, retraced into this gap, pushed up, retrace, not quite on ES. I think we did on NQ. Slightly tapped this gap, reaction out of it, up, and then just kept going up really. And then come market open, or pre-market, we made this retrace, like I mentioned in the journal. Little retracing, pretty big retracing. Like a couple 100 points. So, but yeah, the thing I learned from today is try to have a protected stop. And what my mentor told me today is the ideal entry would have just been to enter off this gap getting filled, off that retracement. I guess either have a limit order or market order whenever it gets tapped into, so you can have a better stop loss placement. Because he told me that this low right here, or whatever you want to call it, the end of this 5 minute candle, it's protected, or it should be. And if we're not bullish, then we're gonna obviously keep going down and push past this low. But if we're bullish, it should not go all the way down here and then make that leg up. and so this would be protected. And yeah, target, whatever you want. It was the reason why it makes sense because it gives you a better RR. Well, not because it makes sense, but the reason why it is better to just interrupt the retracement is because better RR, you're actually having a better stop loss, and you're just getting a better overall entry. And I'm usually skeptical in just entering like the retrace. Kind of want to wait until that 5-minute candle closes, but I guess it's okay not to. That's what I was told today. So, but I entered off this retracement on this 5-minute gap, but I waited for the 5-minute close. So that's something to learn from. You don't have to wait for the 5-minute close, things like that. And yeah, I have my stop loss at the end of this 5-minute gap. Literally gets hit and then reverses, and price ends up chopping. And look at this leg up. This is also what he mentioned. This leg up. Look what we're doing. We're getting these up moves and then automatically down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you should kind of expect it to do that for this as well. So we made this leg up, down, up, down, up, and then kept going higher. I took this on ES because it was the more bullish asset. At first it was NQ. ES was way more bearish than NQ, but then as volume picked up, they like switched places essentially. But yeah, that was really the trade. It's just it just sucks. Life's been pretty hard right now. Or life's been pretty hard recently. It's just trading has been really bad. That's part of the reason, and then just life and what I'm going through. Everyone goes through their own shit, but yeah, it's just been hard for me. That's really it that I wanted to mention in this video. There's nothing really else. Just you can do two things. You can give up, or you can just keep going. And that's what I'm gonna do. Just keep going. Sucks. It's easy to be motivated and be happy when things are going good, but what are you gonna do when shit isn't going your way? What are you gonna do when shit is like really hitting the ground? I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I should probably just stop talking, so I'm gonna leave it at that. Just, yeah. God bless.